Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi!
So today we are back at Silver Dollar City and
Yes.
we have a challenge. So come with us. Okay, so like I said, we have a challenge today. And our challenge is going to be the flooded mine and see who can get the high score between me and Ash.
Me.
I don't think so.
I think so. You're going
We're
down.
gonna do best 2 out of 3. We'll see who wins that one. Winner gets to pick where we eat today. And also, we are also gonna go see the Acrobat stunt show, right? Because of Kids Fest. So, anyway, we will see you when we get to the flooded mine. All right, so we've made it to the flooded mine. So, game is on. All right, so round 1 goes to me. I won by 3,000 points. Ash's gun has a couple bulbs that are out, but we know what the scores are. So we're gonna hit round 2 in a minute. All right, so round 1 went to me. They are victorious.
3,000 points.
3,000 points is quite a bit. Quite a bit. I had her by 100,000 at one point, and then she luckily hit a target and caught up. But round 2 coming up. All right, so as we're walking up here, I think you guys should comment below on who you think is gonna win round 2. All right, so
Get home, hopefully. Tie, hopefully.
Ash is hoping it's a tie so that she can tie it up. She's hoping to tie it up here. Don't know. Somebody had law enforcement training, but I've got country boy training. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's working.
Come on, let's get to work. I want to see you go to work.
What you got?
Get to work.
All right, well, it looks like Ash has come out victorious in this one. She kicked my tail this time. So we're gonna have to have a round 3. See you guys in.
All right, so round 2 goes to me because I took no prisoners, and pun is totally intended.
I also was filming the whole time.
Oh,
Could've been it.
excuses.
Just saying.
Pure
It's not an excuse. Not an excuse. I was
So-
handicapped.
Please. Anyways, like I tripped, like doubled it. Doubled it. So,
Yeah,
anyways,
we'll see what happens in round 3. But
we are gonna go see a show real quick just to cool down and take a break, and then we're gonna do another round to determine the actual winner. So we'll see you then.
see ya. All right, so we've made it to the Opera House to watch the Nik Wallenda Zirkus.
Hi peoples, and welcome to our show. Before we get started, there's a couple of 2 things I want to tell you. Number 1, this is a live show. And the more energy you give us, the more energy we're going to give you. So if you see someone do this, you say, woo! Thank you. Nice. Also, I want to tell you one most important fact. I love this side the best. I love this side the best. This side. This side. Just that lady. In the orange shirts. Well, thanks for cheering, guys, for Rose. Yes. Awesome sauce. All right, we're going to see you in a few minutes. My friend Nick's going to give you an inspirational speech, and then I'm going to get you guys warmed up for the circus. Awesome. See you in a minute. Bye. Yes. Thank you. You're all very kind. I'm going to make it better by adding more sticks and balancing it on top. Watch. I'm going to... No. I need those. I'm so sorry. Hi. In the green shirt, ma'am, right on the edge. Can you help me? I cannot bend over. I have the plate balanced. So can you hand me a stick off the ground, please, real quick? Thank you so much. Helpful child, give him a big round of applause.
Yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason. Yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
That's me. Hello, Silver City! Hey, people. It's my turn. Here we go. We're going to go on stage and do some juggling. Here we go. Yay, stairs, my mortal enemy. Big shoes, little stairs. Big shoes, little stairs. I made it. Yay. I love this side the best. I love this side. Juggling. You want to see me juggle? Yeah! There we go, a little bit of juggling. Thank you, ma'am. Excellent. And a little bit of juggling music. Hey, Neil, some music, please. Thank you. All right, some skill. First off, my impersonation of a trained seal. Arr, 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 arr. Jokes don't get any better. Here we go, some skills. Ah, yeah. All right, juggling. First up, under my arm. Whee! Under my leg.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's up, Branson?
right, so that was Nik Wallenda Zirkus, and I'm gonna let Ash tell you what she thought.
Holy cow, we have seen so many shows, Silver Dollar City, Busch Gardens, Disney, Universal, and I feel like that is top tier, amazing, an incredible message
I agree.
along with it. And I kind of want to like Amazon his books and kind of read them because I feel like they're really inspirational and amazing. It was so much fun. I would watch it again in a heartbeat.
Unlike anything I've ever seen before, it was incredible. I'm scared of heights, and the entire time I'm sitting there going, they're gonna fall. They're gonna fall. It's gonna be our worst nightmare. We're gonna catch it on film.
We don't want this.
We don't. This is not.
No.
This is not what we want. Don't. But it was flawless.
My mouth was open. I had my hand over my face, like, oh no, oh no.
I looked over at her at one point, and she's just focused, like laser focused on Daniela on the chair. And
I was freaking out for her, and she was so strong, so incredible. It's you have to go see it. If you come to Kids Fest, do this.
Yeah, there's no reason to miss this.
110%, don't miss it.
Yep. But we have our own challenge to complete.
I know, but it's so hard afterwards. I'm looking at
it's tied 1-1.
that.
So we're gonna head over to the mine train, and we're gonna see who's gonna come out as the winner. All right. So that being said, we will see you over at the flooded mine train. All right, we have made it back for the third and final round of the high score challenge of the flooded mine. We'll see who's going to come out victorious, and I'm feeling hungry. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna have to admit defeat.
I won.
For once. She has came out victorious.
So do we want to go through tips, because I figured a strategy out. So do not shoot it like a traditional gun. Hold it with your other hand too on the barrel. And then I use 2 fingers instead of my trigger finger, and I just like nail that sucker. So once you find out that you're hitting it right, because it makes a noise when you ping it, just squeeze the heck out of it. That is my strategy. That's how I won.
Solid strategy. She's learned. I didn't think I'd have to do that, because that is what I used to do, and I just like haphazardly done it. So the 2-finger thing is new to me. I might have to try that out next time.
You get tired.
We may have to do a round 2 at some point.
Maybe. Let us know if we should do that.
Yeah, comment below and see if we should do a round 2 sometime. But so where are we gonna go eat?
I'm not sure yet. We may just eat somewhere in Branson, somewhere cool. So
We gotta eat somewhere here at Silver Dollar City.
Here?
That was the wager. So
we'll figure it out somewhere. I don't know, but I want to go run in some water because it's hot.
Okay, yeah. So we're gonna go eat somewhere here at Silver Dollar City. She gets to pick the place. So, but anyway, I think that's gonna end it for us. We had a great day here at Silver Dollar City during Kids Fest. Don't forget to come out for that.
And don't forget to watch that show.
Yes, and do not forget to watch that show as well.
Zirkus.
So, yep. Nik Wallenda Zirkus. Zirkus. That starts with Z. So anyway, that being said, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button,
so that you guys don't miss any of our adventures. So
don't bring on the next adventure.
Bye guys.